Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this right triangle ABC along with this hypotenuse 117 units and its other two legs lowercase a and lowercase b, as you can see in this given diagram, such that a plus b divided by a minus b equals to 17 divided by 7. And now our task is to find the value of lowercase a and this lowercase b as well. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And in this video, I am going to share with you with two different approaches. So therefore, please watch the video till the very end. And here's our very first method. And now we know that a plus b divided by a minus b equal to 17 divided by 7. And I'm going to cross multiply. So therefore we can get 7 times a plus 7 times b equal to 17 times a minus 17 times b. And now I'm going to move this 7a on the other side, and at the very same time I'm going to move this 17b in the opposite direction. So therefore we can write 7 times b plus 17 times b equal to 17 times a minus 7 times a. And here if we add them, that is going to give us 24 times b equals to, and here we are going to subtract, and that is going to give us 10 times lowercase a. And now I am going to divide both sides by 10 to isolate lowercase a. This 10 and 10 is gone. So therefore our lowercase a value could be written as 2.4 times lowercase b. So therefore our lowercase a turns out to be equal to 2.4 times lowercase b. And now let's focus once again on this right triangle ABC. This side length is lowercase a, this side length is lowercase b, and I'm going to label this hypotenuse as our lowercase c. And now let's recall the Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our lowercase c value is 117. And moreover, I am going to substitute that lowercase a value as 2.4 times b over here. So this is going to become 2.4 times b. So therefore, we can write 2.4 times b whole square plus b square equal to 117 square. And now if we take the square of that thing, that is going to give us 5.76 times b square plus b square is going to be equal to 117 square. And now we are going to combine these like terms, so that is going to give us 6.76 b square is going to be equal to 117 square. And now we are going to undo these squares on both sides. So therefore that is going to give us 2.6 times lowercase b equals to this square and square root undo each other. So that is going to give us 117. And now I am going to divide both sides by 2.6 to isolate lowercase b. This 2.6 and 2.6 is gone. So therefore our lowercase b value turns out to be 45. So thus our lowercase b value turns out to be 45. And now let's recall this equation: a equals to 2.4 times b. And I have copied down this equation over here. And now I'm going to substitute lowercase b value 45 over here. So therefore we can write lowercase a equals to 2.4 times 45. So therefore our lowercase a value turns out to be 108 units. So thus our lowercase a value turns out to be 108 and lowercase b value is 45 by using the very first method. And here's our second method. And now let's recall this proportion that has been given to us once again. The ratio of a plus b and a minus b equal to the ratio of 17 and 7. So therefore we can write this one as a plus b equal to 17 times some constant k. And likewise we can write a minus b equal to 7 times some constant k as well. And now our task is to find the value of this constant k. And now we are ended up with these system of two equations. And now we are going to add these two equations. If we add them, this positive b and negative b is gone. So therefore 2 times a equal to 24 times some constant k. And now we are going to divide both sides by 2 to isolate lowercase a. This 2 and 2 is gone. So therefore lowercase a value turns out to be 12 times some constant k. And now this time we are going to subtract. If we subtract, we are going to change the sign. This become negative, this become positive, and this become negative. And here we can see a and negative a, they are gone. So therefore we can write 2 times b equal to 10 times some constant k. Let's divide both sides by 2 to isolate lowercase b. This 2 and 2 is gone. So therefore our lowercase b value turns out to be 5 times some constant k. So thus our lowercase a value turns out to be 12 times some constant k. Lowercase b value is 5 times some constant k. And now let's recall the Pythagorean triplets 5, 12 and 13. And here let's make an observation. This 117 could be broken down to 13 times 9. So therefore for these Pythagorean triplets 5, 12 and 13, our k value is going to be 9. So therefore our k value turns out to be equal to 9. And since we figured out our k value equals to 9, so this lowercase a value is going to be 12 times 9 is going to give us 108. And likewise our lowercase b value is going to be 5 times our k value is 9. That is going to give us 45. So thus our lowercase a value turns out to be 108 and our lowercase b value is 45 by using the second method as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.